Hey everyone, and welcome to my 4th of July giveaway. So, as you can see, here are the prizes. I'll tell you the details in just a moment. We have the Fresh Sorbets Frozen Apple and Sparkling Casey's Fragrance Mist from Victoria's Secret. It smells just like apples. And we have the matching lotion over here. These are all brand new, non-opened. And then back here we have the Pure Daydream lotion and body mist, along with that cute mirror that you can slide shut. Super cute gift set, cute packaging. So here is going to be how you can win it. You must be a subscriber, you must like this video, and in the comments section you must leave your best memory of the 4th of July. I will be choosing the one story that's most interesting, and also you must live in the US. I do not ship internationally, just for shipping cost reasons. So, with that said, I'm so excited to hear guys' stories in the comments, and the winner is absolutely going to enjoy this wonderful set and perfume and lotion. They're going to smell awesome. So I hope you guys are excited as I am. I'll be looking forward to seeing your comments. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.